Hey, good day everyone. Just want to shoot this quick little video. You're about to see a couple segments of time-lapsed video of an actual HVAC service call here on my house, as well as a testimonial from the contractor I had do it. The reason why I had Jason Halloran of Halloran Mechanical come in today is we're coming up on the spring season, and it's important that we do not underestimate the importance of getting your preventative maintenance done. Now, I know this is being done during the COVID-19 concern. A lot of areas are locked down, but an HVAC contracting business is considered one of these life-sustaining businesses because our indoor air quality is very important. So, if you haven't had your annual service call yet, please consider following through with it. I had him come today. He cleaned my coil inside the unit in our basement and then also cleaned the coil of the cooling condensing unit outside because spring is sprung and we will eventually start using our cooling system. And if you have anything on your coils while your system starts cooling and moving that air through your house from the unit in our basement here, you could potentially spread other concerns, other airborne bacteria, allergens, and yes, possibly even other airborne viruses. But also, while I had him come in today, I also had him install a upgrade to my system, a UV catalyst, which is an ozone-free UV product, just to help break down some airborne viruses and bacteria, but also helps remove odors from the air as well. So it's a great upgrade for the supply part of your ductwork once your air is leaving the HVAC system. And he's actually already installed UV lamps on the coil inside of my basement as well, but he did that over a year ago. So again, for today's quick video, enjoy the time-lapse stuff ahead of him working hard, and then stay tuned for his testimonial at the end. Thanks for tuning in. Here with Jason from Halloran Mechanical, and we just did some work today on my own personal system, correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
Cleaned the indoor coil, acid washed it, which also cleaned the condensate line, condensate pump. Went over all the gas piping with leak detector and found a small leak, repaired that. Cleaned
And then
the outdoor coil.
And oh yeah, just clean it. Thanks to using speed clean equipment here too. So
Works great.
the good thing is you actually installed our air conditioning, but you didn't install the original furnace.
Correct.
So
Yes.
some of the things I learned today was why preventative maintenance is so important is that I had no idea I had a slow gas leak down there.
No.
But that's some of the basic stuff you cover when you do a preventative service, right?
Exactly. Yes. We're looking for anything and everything. I mean, I'm here to clean a coil, but if I smell gas, we're going to catch a small problem now. It's a big problem later.
Yeah. And then obviously you had already put in my coil lamps of UV technology a year ago on this system. And then today I upgraded by putting in a full induct unit just because I want cleaner air going through the air supply. And I also I installed the UV catalyst, which is fully, it has all the PCO, but it's actually an ozone-free product that has carbon on it, which pulls all the ozone out of the smell out of the air. And
Correct.
you've heard that like, what do you hear when people when they hear about ozone?
Some are sensitive to it.
Okay.
Some are very sensitive to it.
Okay.
There's other brands where you install them and they can't turn it on.
All right.
And it's 100% ozone related.
So what do you think of the unit that I showed you today you put in?
It's nice. I like it.
Okay.
Simple to put in, easy
Yep.
to wire. It's
Easy
built
for
solid,
callbacks.
Solid unit. Yes, it's good. I like
Awesome.
it.
Well
Good
then,
unit.
so as a professional, then just to close this out, since I've been hearing myself, people are worried about whether or not they should do the preventive maintenance or not. You as a professional, how are you handling things right now? What do you recommend to people?
Preventative maintenance is big.
Okay.
Indoor air quality is the other big one.
Okay.
Killing the stuff that goes through your unit, You're not taking something from one part of the house and spreading it across the whole house through ductwork. Filtering air, I mean, it's the air we breathe every day. So it's.
I think my system's covered, right? We got everything?
We have everything covered on your unit, correct, yes.
Yeah. We got filtration at the unit. We had the higher end filtration from Ultravation. We had the UV lamps and the coil from Ultravation. And now we have the UV catalyst installed too. So
I believe that's a, 5-inch MERV 13, is it?
yeah, I got a MERV 13 on there.
Correct.
Yeah. 5-inch full pleated filter. Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah. Cool. Well then, thanks for making the time today. And again, ladies and gentlemen, per Jason and everybody else out there, take your preventative maintenance seriously, and make sure you're reaching out to your contractors to set up your scheduled appointments, because it does take a little bit of time. I mean, how long did it take you today with everything?
2 hours.
Okay. See, there we go.
To do it right.
To do it right. All right. Thanks, Jason.
Take care.